The African clawed frog is most commonly found in eastern and southern Africa, along the African Rift Valley, where they prefer stagnant waters to fast-flowing streams. They use their hands to shovel food into their mouths and down their throats. They also use a hyperbranchial pump to draw or suck things into their mouth. They are often a greenish-grey mottled pattern with an off-white underbelly. They have a lateral line of mucous canals along either side of their bodies, which act as sensory organs to detect prey in the surrounding water. Their eyes and nose are located on the top of their head, enabling them to see and breathe, but without being too visible. As a clawed frog species, they have tiny claws on both their fore and hind legs. They use these claws to capture their prey to eat it. The African clawed frog can swim at astonishing speeds in all directions. It is an apex predator, and once prey has been spotted, it will be caught and shoveled into the African clawed frog's mouth. The African clawed frog has evolved very successfully as a bottom-dwelling animal, which means that it is a greater protection from predators and a better choice of food. As a small carnivorous amphibian, its main prey is water bugs and small fish. However, they are known scavengers and will eat almost anything living, dying or dead, any type of organic waste, including their own shed skin. Due to its small size, the African clawed frog has a number of natural predators within its native environment. They occur both in and out of the water. Herons are their most common threat. Although lacking a vocal sac, the males make a mating call of alternating long and short trills by contracting their throat muscles. Females also answer vocally, signaling either acceptance, a rapping sound, or rejection, a slow ticking sound. The female African clawed frog produces between 500 and 2,000 eggs per mating. As mating occurs multiple times in a year, they can produce up to 8,000 eggs annually. The African clawed frog is known to have a long lifespan for a small aquatic animal and can live to around 5 to 15 years in the wild. The African bullfrog lives in a variety of arid and semi-arid habitats at low elevations in the sub-Saharan African countries. The African bullfrog has adapted to its environment, having 3 canine-like teeth that protrude from its lower jaw. These teeth are used to fight off would-be predators and to hold on to its prey. Adult bullfrogs are aggressive and, if provoked, will swell up to intimidate both predator and competing males. The African bullfrog has long ridges on the skin of its back and is olive green in colour. The males have a yellow or orange throat, whilst female throats are cream coloured. Females may also retain the dorsal yellow stripe seen in the juvenile. The African bullfrog is a voracious carnivore, eating insects, small rodents, reptiles, small birds, and other amphibians. Basically, they'll eat anything they can fit in their mouth. African bullfrogs cannot swallow, so they utilise their eyes to push their food down their throat.